Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a look, this one right here, and I am going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette with all these really beautiful warm shades. I really love this, and I really love this look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Hello. So today I am using another one of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palettes, but today I'm going to be doing a look with Ring the Alarm. Look at all these warm shades. Look at them. They're so beautiful. So I'm going to create an eye look with this today. I have so many ideas for this palette. I just trying to put them all in my head. We're just going to wing it again because that's what we do on this channel. We wing it. Okay, so zoom in. Boop. Okay, so my eyes are primed, and to start, okay, so I'm going to take my R34 brush by Morphe. It's a little dusty, but I think I'm going to go in with Rush here first as my transition shade. It's really interesting to look at these palettes because this is definitely one that I would reach for like an everyday look, because we know your girl loves a warm brown eye. Also, every time I read this palette, Beyonce's Ring the Alarm song gets stuck in my head. Now that that color is down, I'm gonna go in with Mugshot, this deeper brown right here, and I'm gonna keep this on the outer edge. Okie dokie. I think I'm going to take Bomb Ass. I love that word. Bomb Ass. Because this is a bomb ass shade right here. And so this is what it looks like on the brush. I'm taking this on a Morphe M167. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. And I really didn't want to do another cut crease. So we're going to blend this all out. Damn, this is really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, we're going to do the same thing on this other eye. Alright, so now that that color is laid down, I'm going to actually, before I go any farther, I'm going to take my R39 brush and go in with Siren right here. And tap it on the outer area here. We got a lot of fallout there. Cool. Okay, that's that. Now I'm going to take on camera this really pretty gold, actually. I think I'm going to take Lolly, actually. We're going to go in with this. We're going to go in with Lolly. Put that right down here and blend it into Bomb Ass. I really like that. So what I'm going to do now is take my M441 brush and go back in with Rush and blend everything out. I think to add a little more orange to it, I'm going to go in with Alert, this orange shade. Alright, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm gonna dip back into Siren and just finish some things up on the outer area. I'm gonna move on to my face, finish this up, and then that's really it. I will come back and show you guys the finished look, I guess. Yeah, BRB. Alright guys, so this completes this look right here. I did pop on some false lashes. These are the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. I love these. I was going to try to use my Mykonos lashes from Lily Lashes, but they're a little too heavy. I might use them in another video with this palette, but I am really happy with how this look turned out. Blending on fleek, if you ask me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're over there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over there. It's right there. Especially if you want to see more videos like this. But I am going to go eat some food and then go to work. So thank you guys again for tuning in and hanging out with me. I will see you guys in my next video.